Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you beverage to detox your liver and lose weight. So friends, let's start the video. Number 1 is chamomile tea, one of the best drink for your liver. Chamomile tea is easy to digest and carries whole lot of antioxidants which help in detoxifying the liver. The sedative properties of chamomile tea help in releasing stress and also improve the quality of sleep, hence making it a highly recommended beverage for the late evening hour. For preparation, just boil a cup of water and add a handful of chamomile flowers to it. Cool it a bit and drink. Repeat the same for at least 2 weeks to see the result. Number 2 is lukewarm lemon water. Warm water with lemon is recommended during the early hour of the day, but its benefits will remain the same even when you have it at night. Lemon is known for detoxifying the liver and cleansing the entire body in a go. For preparation, just heat a glass of water and add the juice of half a lemon to it. Mix it well and drink half an hour before bed. Repeat the same for 3 consecutive weeks for results. Number 3 is ginger and lemon tea. Ginger and lemon combined is a perfect recipe for weight loss. Vitamin C is anti-oxidants in the two ingredients together work well in eliminating toxins and improving body metabolism. The two work well in reducing abdominal swelling as well. For prepare, boil a cup of water and add a slice of ginger and half a lemon juice to it. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and cool to room temperature. Drink it thrice a week to see results. Number 4. Mint tea. After a hearty and fulfilling dinner, you need something to digest your food. Here we recommended a warm and soothing cup of mint tea. Essential oil is mint tea, improve the body ability to eliminate waste. The menthol in mint leaves detoxifies the liver as well. For prepare, boil 20 grams of mint leaves to a glass of boiling water. After steeping the leaves in for a while, strain it and cool to room temperature. Drink half an hour before bed and do the same for 3 days in a week. So friends, I hope you will enjoy with this video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more amazing watching videos in future. Thank you so much.